Hello dear friends, my name is Igor. Today I want to show you how to install the KidLogger PRO application version 1.6.149 on a phone Samsung J5 with Android 8 operating system. First, we have to launch the browser, open a new incognito mode and visit KidLogger.net site. Using a menu, we can open the download page. Find KidLogger PRO for Android. Input a CAPTCHA. Allow the access to files and folders for the browser if necessary. Allow the installation from this source. And install the application. The installation is finished. Click Open. The application asks our permission to access different resources of the phone. We have to allow all of them. The next is Allow Usage Data Access. It is an access to the database of applications. We switch it on for system Android. Allow administrative access. Click Test Screenshot. Tick the option Don't Ask Again and click Start. Let's test the callback. In this phone, there is no SIM card. That's why it doesn't go on. If we had a SIM card, we will choose what application to use to perform a callback. A phone application or Skype or Viber. We should choose a phone application. Install Android Keyboard. It is a standard Android keyboard application with keystroke recording feature. Allow the installation from this application. We need to configure it. It means to make it default keyboard. We open the settings, General Management, and choose Language and Input. By default, there is Samsung keyboard. We click on Screen Keyboard and switch on the Android keyboard. After this, we make Android keyboard default keyboard application. And disable to disable the Samsung keyboard. But on some phones it is not possible. Now we'll try to disable the Samsung keyboard. But in advance I can say that this will not work. On this phone it is not possible to switch off the native Samsung keyboard. Look at this. The disable button is not active. So we'll leave the native Samsung keyboard to work on this phone. But still we managed Android keyboard to make the default keyboard. Now we need to install the Support Android application. The Support Android is a screen reader that can read the information from the screen. After the installation, we have to make it active in accessibility. Let's connect the application to server. Into the Your Account field, we have to write our email address. The connection was successful. Now, here is a device ID, a unique identifier. Next, we have to click Hide Application icon, and the icon of System Android will disappear. And to launch the application, we have to call *12345 and DS. And the application opens its control panel so we could see the settings. Next, we have to avoid KidLogger stopping by the built-in power-saving services. Let's visit KidLogger.net site and help page. Find KidLogger PRO for Android. Here is an article named How to Prevent KidLogger Stopping by Building Power-Saving Apps. Find our phone and read. Open Settings, Accessibility, Support Android off. It means we have to switch off the Support Android in Settings of the phone and in Accessibility group. Then next, we have to open the device maintenance, battery, and then app power monitor. And switch off the system Android. Click the unmonitored apps, add apps, and add the system Android here. It means the system Android will not be tracked by application power monitor. Then next, open Settings and Apps again, and find Support Android. Battery. The option Allow background activity should be switched on. Then next, click Optimize battery usage. Choose Show all apps. For Support Android, we should switch off this option. And the same for System Android. Support Android and System Android are two modules of our monitoring application. They should not be optimized to save the battery. The next, Biometrics and Security. Switch off the App Permission Monitor. You can also turn off the application power monitor in Device Maintenance, Battery Advanced Settings. Now choose Settings Accessibility and switch on the Support Android. Now the phone will not stop the KidLogger PRO application. It is not finished yet. Then next, we need to inactivate the protection of Google Play. We have an article in our site how to prevent KidLogger from being stopped by Google Play services. The Google Play protection protects the phone against the third-party applications. Let's launch the Google Play Market application. Open menu, Play Protect. Open the options and switch off these two options to scan the phone and to send the suspicious applications to the examination. We have to switch off both of them. Then next we have to disable the notifications from Play Market and from Play Services. Open Settings, Applications, find Play Market and Play Services. Let's start with Play Services. We'll have to find the notifications and disable them. The same for Play Market. Now these two programs will not notify that some unknown application spies our phone. And the last thing to do is to delete the installation package from Download folder. That's all. We installed KidLogger PRO and did our best to prevent its stop. As we can see, the application is working. It tracked the keystrokes, applications, location. But calls and SMS will appear when we insert a SIM card. If you have questions, you can ask me in comments. Goodbye.